For homeowners in Dallas, where hot summers and mild winters dominate the climate, energy efficiency is a top priority. One of the most impactful ways to reduce energy consumption, improve indoor comfort, and lower utility bills is through window replacement. Outdated, inefficient windows can be a major source of energy loss, while modern, energy-efficient windows help regulate your home's temperature and reduce strain on your HVAC system. Here's how replacing your windows can lead to significant energy savings and why it's a smart investment for Dallas homeowners. Minimize heat transfer. Dallas summers can be brutal, with temperatures frequently exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Old or single-pane windows often allow heat to transfer easily into your home, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Double or triple glazing. Modern windows with multiple panes of glass trap insulating gas, like argon or krypton, between the layers, reducing heat transfer. Low E glass. Low emissivity, low E coatings reflect heat and harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter, keeping your home cooler. Thermal breaks. Energy-efficient window frames include thermal breaks, which prevent heat from passing through the material. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can reduce heat gain and maintain a consistent indoor temperature, even during Dallas's hottest months. Reduce air leaks. Air leaks around old or poorly installed windows are a common source of energy waste. Drafty windows allow cool air to escape during the summer and warm air to seep out in the winter, leading to higher energy bills. Advanced seals. Modern replacement windows are designed with tighter seals and weather stripping to prevent air leaks. Professional installation. Proper installation ensures your windows fit perfectly, eliminating gaps and cracks that can lead to drafts. Durable frames. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping and maintain their shape, ensuring a tight seal over time. Sealing these leaks can significantly reduce energy waste and improve your home's overall efficiency. Lower utility bills. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that energy-efficient windows can save homeowners up to 25% on heating and cooling costs. Optimized HVAC performance. With better insulation and reduced air leaks, your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. Seasonal savings. Energy-efficient windows keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling year-round. ROI on replacement. While there's an upfront cost to window replacement, the energy savings over time make it a worthwhile investment. Lower utility bills mean your new windows pay for themselves in the long run. Enhance natural light without heat. Natural light brightens your home and reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, but old windows often bring in unwanted heat along with sunlight. Modern windows are designed to balance light and heat effectively. UV blocking coatings. Advanced coatings block up to 99% of harmful UV rays, protecting your home's interior from fading while reducing heat gain. Tinted glass. Subtle tints reduce glare and heat while still allowing sunlight to illuminate your home. High visible transmittance. Look for windows with high visible transmittance (VT) ratings to maximize natural light without compromising energy efficiency. By choosing windows that let in light but block heat, you can create a bright and comfortable living environment. Eco-friendly living. Energy-efficient windows aren't just good for your wallet, they're also good for the planet. By reducing your energy consumption, you're lowering your home's carbon footprint. Sustainable materials. Many modern windows are made with recyclable materials, making them an eco-conscious choice. Reduced energy demand. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you're contributing to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Greener lifestyle. Energy savings through efficient windows align with a commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Replacing your windows is a meaningful step toward creating a greener, more sustainable home. Increased comfort year-round. Energy-efficient windows not only save you money but also enhance your quality of life. They help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing hot and cold spots in your home. Improved insulation. High-performance windows prevent drafts, keeping you comfortable regardless of the weather outside. Noise reduction. Double and triple pane windows also reduce outdoor noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. UV protection. With advanced coatings, your furnishings, flooring, and decor are protected from sun damage, adding to your home's comfort and longevity. The added comfort and protection make your home more enjoyable throughout the year. Boost home value and appeal. Energy-efficient windows are a sought-after feature in Dallas's real estate market. Investing in replacement windows not only saves money on energy bills but also increases your home's value. Curb appeal. Modern windows enhance the exterior look of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. High ROI. Window replacement is one of the top home improvement projects for return on investment, especially in energy-conscious markets. Competitive edge. Homes with updated, efficient windows stand out in the Dallas real estate market, appealing to eco-conscious and budget-savvy buyers. Upgrading your windows adds value and appeal, whether you're planning to sell or stay. Conclusion. Smart savings for Dallas homeowners. Window replacement is one of the most effective ways to save energy and improve your home's comfort and value. For Dallas homeowners, where hot summers can drive up energy costs, investing in energy-efficient windows is a practical and rewarding decision. By reducing heat transfer, eliminating air leaks, and optimizing natural light, modern windows create a more comfortable and cost-effective living environment. Partner with a trusted local professional to choose and install the perfect windows for your home, and enjoy the benefits of energy savings and enhanced comfort for years to come.